across northeast Missouri. Good evening, I'm Gillen Austin. A red zone, that is what the White House COVID-19 task force is calling the state of Missouri tonight. Community transmission is high in both rural and urban areas, which is why they've recommended bars be closed and a mask mandate be put into place. It has some viewers reaching out to us wondering where these cases are coming from and what community health officials recommend to do about it. WGEM's Frank Healy has been looking into this throughout the day. He is live in Hannibal tonight with more. Frank?
Dylan, despite our repeated requests, the Marion County Health Department has yet to comment on the spike in cases here, but local doctors are speaking out.
It's been a big increase in cases in COVID-19 in this area recently. In my practice, we've seen to diagnose a couple every day.
Hannibal Clinic physician Dr. Eric Meidel says with 10 to 30 new cases in the county every day, COVID-19 is a problem in Marion County.
So I think people should typically stay out of bars at this time, stay out of crowded areas, not go to events where there's large numbers of people. If you need to be out in public, you should wear a mask.
He says the health department has been following CDC guidelines, and while he says a mask can reduce the chance of COVID-19 transmission by up to 70%.
In terms of mandatory use of masks, I think I would probably leave that up to a lot of other people to decide. Personally, I think people can make good decisions usually and should be able to make those kind of decisions.
But he did say he thinks there's situations where masks should be required.
I think when people are forced to be into certain areas and they are forced to be in contact with other people, then everybody should be wearing a mask if it's not voluntary for those people to go into those areas.
He says right now people should keep following social distancing guidelines, washing their hands and wearing masks, as vaccines are getting closer to being ready for the public.
Hang on, try to not get fatigued from all the mask wearing and other social isolation recommendations. Hopefully we'll all get through this.
Marion County, we reached out to the Marion County Health Department multiple times over multiple days, and they did not get back to us. Live in Hannibal, Frank Healy, WGEM News.